Mike from Spring wants some flood help.
This weekend, one of his kids caused some overflow. Remember, ever happened to you when you were young with the kids?
One time got close when my son said, Dad, the sink is full of water upstairs. It's been like that for 2 weeks and it's overflowing now. Is that supposed to happen?
I remember my daughter came down one night and said, Dad, do you have any more towels? I said, why?
Nice.
Well, we've used all the ones upstairs. I came upstairs and they're trying to, one of the risers had backed up and it was like, it's just good times.
Is that supposed to happen? No.
You called me right away. Okay, unfortunately for Mike, they were in bed when it happened. And so they couldn't stop the water from escaping their Jack and Jill bathroom, which is like one of those bathrooms you pass through.
Understand.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, I was just saying for the viewers. It got into the guest bedroom and one of the kids' rooms. But the thing is, the kids' room, there's not a door. So I'm thinking, he says, that it went under the wall to get there. I pulled up the carpet, but can't tell if it got to the sheetrock. I did notice, he says, a material that appeared to be like a light green underneath there that he's looking. He's wondering if that's some kind of moisture barrier at the bottom of the sheetrock or something. So, Tom, Mike is worried about mold in the future.
Don't worry, just fix the leak, clean it up, dry it out. It was all clean water. It wasn't like you had that terrible Harvey muddy water sitting in your house.
You didn't have to demuck your house.
Yeah, no. So you're fine. Don't worry about it. Just dry it out and fix the problem. It'll be fine. I don't want to go any more than that because I don't want to alarm you. There's nothing to be alarmed about except it was messy.
and the worst experiences make the best stories.
Yeah, so don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
You got a question? Go ahead and send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll dry it up for you just like that. Click on the Ask Tom button in the upper right-hand corner. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell,
Ding.
and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.